Hello, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups, and yep, we're back. Gulf Shores State Park 2026. We were here in 2022, 4 years ago, almost to the day, and we loved it, and we had to come back a second time. This time we got a lake view spot, and it is wonderful. They have a heated pool. They've got laundry, shower houses. What else do they have?
Nice, oh man, nature center.
Big spacious spots.
Full hookups.
Full hookups, power, yep.
Basically, it's a state park, but it's like a resort. You get huge sites, full hookups. There's lake, fishing, all these things. It's a mile from the Gulf of America.
Gulf of America.
First time
First time there. Looks just like the Gulf of Mexico, but that was our joke today on the beach. $40. That was really good.
Yeah, so this place is amazing, and you get what you pay for. It is over $100 a night for this beautiful lakefront spot. It was a splurge. It was wonderful. Don't know if we'll ever do it again, but it was wonderful.
Across the street was like $90, the guy said. So it was like 110, 120 on the weekends here with the lake. 20, $30 cheaper across the street. So
yeah, so there's tons of stuff to do here. If you don't know Gulf Shores, Alabama, we ate at Lambert's. We went to some other seafood places, Shrimp Basket. There's, of course, a souvenir store on every corner. Sugar white sand beaches. Oh, yes. So the Gulf is a mile away. And beautiful thing about this place is that it's like Orange Beach is really popular, but it's got skyscraper condominiums everywhere. When you come to the state park, it's just clear. The beach isn't crowded. There's not buildings and people everywhere and cars everywhere. So it's really a lot more peaceful. We really enjoyed it.
yeah, there's a little parking lot for like 4 or 5 cars, and weekdays, yeah, well, even today on the weekend, it wasn't. There was still one spot left for us at 11:30. So
Yeah.
we just parked there at the end of the state park, and then walked across to the beach, where the beach was mostly empty and full of grassy sand dunes. So it was kind of nice. Yeah, like she said, no big skyscrapers within 300 or 400 yards. So yeah, great
Yep.
time on the beach today. Got a little bit too much sun. I think everybody did. My feet are
Sun-kissed.
lobster red.
But it was beautiful. And you know what? It's spring break, and back home it was 30 degrees, I
Cold.
think under 30, so hope our chickens are good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys get to check this place out. Sometimes there are a lot of other state parks like in Florida, the Florida Panhandle, that are more affordable, but they are not this nice, but they're great. Let us know where you've been, where you're planning to go. Thank you for watching, and happy camping.
Happy camping.